Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to do a simple presentation. I'm going to be putting some rice and peas and some fried fish on the plate. In Jamaica they would call it ESCOVITCH, but otherwise you can call it fried fish with some julienne vegetable. Here in this pot I have some rice and peas there. It's a typical Jamaican everyday dish, or Sunday best. So I have my glass here, bit of butter in it, so I'll just spoon it in. Let's do this to catch a nice lovely shape for presentation. Set this aside. Now I'm gonna this up, then down. You have it there. Then you release it. Then take a piece of fish here, set it aside. Then I have a bit of garnish which I make with lemon and thyme, just for garnish. Just sit it here. This is what it looked like. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. This rice here is have coconut in it, a bit of thyme, garlic, fresh ginger, and a bit of water, red kidney bean. And this I'm using sea bass because I prefer the sea bass, some onion, carrots, peppers, garlic, and you saute this in some olive oil or vegetable oil, and add a little bit of sugar and a bit of vinegar of your choice, and just let it sweat down a little bit, maybe take about 3 to 4 minutes. And then guys, here you have it. Thanks for watching guys. Peace be unto you all.